You've explored the tools. Now it's time to bring them together into a system that actually works for you. This final lecture is about moving from theory to practice, designing a personal, flexible, and sustainable study plan tailored to your strengths, schedule, and goals. No more guesswork or scattered strategies, just a clear, smart approach you can stick with. Because knowing the tools isn't enough. Real transformation begins when you apply them consistently, in a way that fits your life. This lecture marks that shift, from learning techniques to living them. And today, we are doing exactly that, building your smart study blueprint. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to build a personalized study system based on your real-life routine, identify which techniques best match your learning style, integrate key strategies like active recall, time blocking, and progress tracking into a repeatable weekly plan. Choose what works for you. There's no single best study method, only what works best for you. Think back on what felt natural or effective during this course. Ask yourself, do I learn better through visuals, listening, or hands-on practice? Which method helped me recall information fastest? Flashcards, teaching aloud, or writing summaries? Which techniques did I actually enjoy using? Start with 2 to 3 core tools that suit your style and build from there. Map your real schedule. A good study plan fits your life, not the other way around. Be honest about your availability and energy. Tips for realistic planning. Use actual time blocks. Schedule study when you're really free, not ideally free. Match tasks to energy levels. Tackle harder topics when you feel sharpest. Add flex time. Include buffer days to catch up or review, not to cram. Use whatever tool you prefer, digital calendar, bullet journal, sticky notes as long as it's clear and visible. Use the study blueprint framework. Here's a simple, flexible model you can repeat weekly. Input. Learn new material. Read, watch, listen. Process. Engage with it actively. Summarize, quiz, recall. Check. Track your progress and tweak what isn't working. You don't need to cover every stage every day. Rotate through them as needed to build both depth and memory. Stay flexible. Stay consistent. The best plan isn't perfect. It's doable. Expect disruptions and off days. What matters is your ability to pick up where you left off. Build a system that has structure but isn't rigid. Track small wins to keep you motivated. Can evolve as your subjects or goals change. Why it works. This blueprint turns passive effort into active strategy. Instead of reacting to deadlines, you'll be working with intention. It's personalized, evidence-based, and easy to maintain, helping you study smarter, not harder.